Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add items to wishlist on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add items to wishlist on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, first navigate your product or search for it. For example, I'll be searching for a locket over here. And after searching for a locket, you can do the same and navigate to your product and tap to open the product like this guys. And when it opens, the page of that product opens. Scroll down a little bit and you can see guys just below the comments, or you will have the product details over here. And at the right side of that product details, there is the save button available for us. Tap on that save button and that item will be added to your wishlist on Temu. For example, let's try it out on another item. Let's go with the teddy bear over here. Let's open this page of the teddy bear, and if you scroll down, and you can see guys, there are the comments, and below the comments we'll have the product details over here. And you can see there is the save button available for us. At the right side of the product details, tap on save, and that product will be added to your wishlist on Temu. So let's go back and let's check our wishlist. And when we land on the home page, at the bottom of the page you can see guys, there is the U button available for us on the bottom middle section of the screen. Tap on the U button, and over here you can see there is the browsing history over here. If you swipe it little up, and just beside the browsing history we have the wishlist over here. Tap on the wishlist, and you can see all of your items you had saved particularly or added to your wishlist recently will be over here. And if we tap on the shell button at the right side, all of the items which we had added to our wishlist on Temu will be available over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to add items to wishlist on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.